To perform viscosity test, you will need a weighing machine, 2 600 ml beaker, spoon, spatula, sample powder, 1 liter of measuring cylinder, ultrasonic machine, and viscometer machine. First, place a 600 ml of beaker on a weighing machine. Zeroize the scale and fill 180 grams of sample into the beaker. Next, pour 420 grams of water into a measuring cylinder and slowly pour it into the beaker with sample powder. Before using ultrasonic machine, please ensure there is water inside the basket, and make sure the water level is at least half of the basket. Now, place the sample into the ultrasonic machine. Turn the timer adjustment knob for 5 minutes and stir the sample with a spatula. Before operating the viscometer machine, ensure the bubble is on the center of the circular line, and make sure the speed control dial is set to 60 rpm. Now, place the sample below the viscometer machine. Next, you will see a groove over here. Adjust the height of the stand and ensure the groove is soaked inside the sample. Before operate the spindle, ensure the analog display is on 0. On the rear of the machine, there are motor switch and clutch lever. Set your timer for 1 minute. Start the timer and turn on the switch at the same time. After 1 minute, press and hold the clutch lever. Position the motor switch to off and on, until you find the torque value. Release the clutch lever. Record down the first reading. To begin the second test, make sure the analog display is on 0. Set your timer for 1 minute. Start the timer and turn on the switch at the same time. After 1 minute, press and hold the clutch lever. Position the motor switch to off, until you find the torque value. Release the clutch lever, and record down the second reading. Now, repeat the same step for the third testing. Record down the third reading. Now, we can calculate the total readings by summing up all 3 readings. Write down the number of readings that we used. To calculate the average readings, take the total readings to divide by the number of readings. Next, the spindle factor value is 20. It is because we are using spindle 3 and the spindle speed is at 60 rpm. To calculate the viscosity, take the total readings to divide by the number of readings, and times 20. The final viscosity reading is 560 centipoise.